Where to go never ends. Taipa village is quite a gem. A little slice of Macau, a main streets in Taipa village. Beautiful city lights and a whole lot of restaurants. All restaurants. All restaurants. All restaurants. All
So we're going to be filming this street right here. The lights are just coming on. There's a Galaxy Casino straight ahead. That's Taipa Village straight ahead. And then we also have the Nike store, which is directly behind me. That's what that looks like. People will actually make this reference, meet you at the Nike store. And that's basically where they meet. And then over here, there's some other stuff straight ahead. And all those tall buildings over there is part of Taipa Village. Sorry, Taipa Central. So it's like all the tall residential area. But these are like social housing right there. And then the one that we're going to be going down is this one. And it's kind of more low density. Anyways, let's get into it. Show you what it looks like. Let's put it up on the map first. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Let's do it. Okay, so let's just kind of meander this way. There's the Nike store. Let's meander this way. Taipa Village is straight ahead, so we will kind of briefly take a look at that. There you go. The lighting is just about perfect right now too. There's Pinocchio Kitchen, Casino Pinocchio. So yeah, you can meander down in here and it's pretty interesting, but we're gonna be going down this main street. That street I just had the camera focus on. It's kind of references Food Street, but it's more like you stand in line and it's like takeout. But the one over here is more restaurants. There, so you can see a better view of Taipa Central right there. There's a Nike store to the right. So we are going to go down. We got all our neon lights in this area as well. There we go. Nice colorful housing to the right. Look how when they paint stuff, it looks great. They don't always do it, but when they do, it's great. In this area, they do. A lot more color than some parts of Macau has more like drab gray, especially near the border, more northern part of Macau. But most of the historical Portuguese areas will have more pastel colors. You can see some pastel colors a little bit everywhere. Okay, so we are going to keep on meandering down. There's some nice lighting everywhere as well. And we're going to have some mural artwork coming up. It's also you see, nice yellow car there. Oh, they got it covered up, but that wall has some beautiful artwork. It's covered up with a K-pop thing. But yeah, this one is usually. But yeah, there's some bigger K-pop events, so I think that they're. Let me get out of the way. That's all illegal parking, but. So okay, tea of creativity. Got some tarts, tourist shops, Madeira. That one in the corner used to be a pizza place, but that's gone now. Madeira. Okay. Let's take a look. So yeah, there's Madeira in the corner. I like how it comes out a little bit and you have these big windows. More stuff on that side, of course. Gloria, that goes right into Taipa village. There's a Thai restaurant. Kortu, I think is, I think it's Spanish or Portuguese, I think. Chinese one, Thai, old Taipa. This one was a Thai one here to the left, but it looks like it's closed at the moment anyways. Overall, it's kind of spreading out. It's like a little clothing chain for that mascot. Let's go across. I guess we have to go across to this crosswalk right here. Go across like that. Here's old Taipa Cafe. Okay, so we'll keep on walking down. Different beef opal, beef intestines. This right here, they're doing something here, so we'll see what that looks like. It's kind of going to revolutionize the whole neighborhood when it's fully realized. Let me see. Good luck. Crystal Palace hot pot. Let's keep on walking down. Then you got a little mountain up there. There's hiking trails way up there, and there's also Old Taipa Tavern right in that little plaza there. This is our Target Street. And we got a lot more restaurants that we're gonna walk by. So let's see what all we got here. Jade Palace, Serdura, pork chop bun. We call it pork chop bun. 7-Eleven convenience store. This is a little Macau places. They look, Hong Kong kind of has those too. There's a name for those, but I can't remember the name. Food Mart. It's funny, these food marks, I saw them all over Thailand as well. I don't know if they're connected in some way. Then over here, we have lots of tourists. So let me kind of take a look here. So we have that little Macau, and this Cafe Eskimo, they usually will put the Macau sign. It does bring in a lot of customers. It brings in a lot of tourists. Okay. Let's see if we can. Straight ahead is Galaxy. That big green one is part of the Cotai Strip from the casinos. This yellow building, there's a restaurant, but I never really know exactly what's going on with that dome up there. And that's more of our street right there. Some nice flowers right there as well. Okay. So let's continue going down. Haagen-Dazs. Massage place. Achilles Pharmacy. Portuguese cuisine. So I don't know if I'm going to go all the way down, but let me just kind of take a look here. So if we did go all the way down, I don't know if we should or not. I think what we're going to do is just end it right there. But if we go down further, you eventually go all the way to the train station. But I think this is good enough for me. So a little slice of Macau anyways for you.